Welcome back to TinorShare 4DDIC channel. If you've ever seen the message, this video file cannot be played, error code 102630, while trying to watch your favorite videos on streaming sites like Sflix, HiAnime or AnyWatch. You know how annoying it can be? Today, we'll cover step by step how to fix it. So, what exactly is error code 102630? It's common JW player error when videos fail to load, often due to an empty playlist or incorrect video link. Even if the link is correct, playback can fail because of network, browser or file issues. This error can happen for several reasons: poor internet connection, accumulated browser cache or cookies, outdated web browsers, hardware acceleration conflicts, or browser extensions. Understanding these causes helps us troubleshoot effectively. So, a weak or unstable internet connection is common culprit. Use an online speed test like Speed Test to check bandwidth. If it's slow, try restarting your router or switching networks. Next, browser cache and cookies can block video playback. In Chrome, go to Settings, More Tools, Clear Browsing Data, select Cookies and Cached Files, then Clear. Firefox and Edge have similar steps. An outdated browser may trigger error 102630. Update your browser to the latest version. In Chrome, go to About Chrome to automatically update, then restart. Firefox and Edge are similar. Hardware acceleration can cause conflicts. Disable it. In Chrome, Settings, System, toggle off, use hardware acceleration. In Firefox and Edge, uncheck the performance or hardware acceleration settings. If your video file itself is corrupted, 4DDIC video repair is perfect. Let me show you exactly how to use it. Open 4DDIC video repair, click on the video repair tab and import your corrupted video files. Don't worry, it won't touch your original files, so no extra backup is needed. Next, click Repair or Patch Repair to start. Once the repair is done, you can preview the results side by side. If you're happy, save the video. If not, you can try Advanced Repair options for a deeper fix. You can also change the output format before saving. Choose from MP4, MOV, AVI or MKV. Additionally, the tool keeps a repair history so you can track all the past repairs for reference. So, we covered 5 methods to fix error code 102630. Method 1, check your internet connection. Method 2, clear browser cache. Method 3, update browser. Method 4, disable hardware acceleration. Method 5, repair corrupted videos with 4DDIC video repair. For fast and reliable fixes, 4DDIC is your go-to tool. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell. We'll keep sharing practical tutorials ahead.